how to turn off alternate game performance on One UI 8. So if you recently update your phone to One UI 8, you will notice that the alternate game performance is no longer available. So in order for you to change the performance mode, what you want to do is on your device, go into the apps screen and open up Gaming Hub. Then in here, to change the game performance, start the game. At the bottom corner here, you will notice there is a game booster icon, so tap on that. From here at the top, you can switch to performance mode. If you want to turn off the game performance mode, you can select balance or battery saver. So select one of the available mode here to change or turn off the game performance mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.